Welcome to the International Accounting Channel. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like, share your opinion. Together with us to answer multiple choice questions about international accounting. Now, let's get started. Contents not covered by the template. A. Qualitative characteristics of information. B. Going concern assumption. C. Quantitative characteristics of information. D. Purpose of financial statements. C. Quantitative characteristics of information. Which of the following items is not included in the original cost of fixed assets? A. Cost of training employees to use new assets. B. Net installation and trial run costs. C. Site preparation costs. D. Cost of hiring property consultants. Cost of training employees to use new assets. Which of the following expenses are included in the asset value according to IAS 16? A. Public administration expenses. B. Asset maintenance expenses every 3 months. C. New asset installation expenses. D. Annual replacement expenses for spare parts. C. New asset installation expenses. Factories, machinery and equipment are stopped being recorded when A. Liquidation. B. No economic benefit is obtained from using the assets and liquidation of assets. C. Both of the above cases. C. Both of the above cases. Company A purchased a piece of manufacturing equipment at a purchase price of $70,000. The supplier discounted $1,500 on the selling price and installed it for $140. What was the original cost of the equipment? A. $6,650. B. $6,660. C. $6,670. D. $68,640. D. $68,640. Which of the following contracts is an exception to IFRS 15? A. Leases. B. Insurance contracts. C. Pharmaceutical sales contracts. D. Audit service contracts. E. All. F. A and B. F. A and B. Contract is not valid if A. It is not accepted in writing. B. The parties to the contract have agreed upon the terms of the contract. C. The contract is not of a commercial nature. C. The contract is not of a commercial nature. Which of the following is not a valid step in the 5-step model for determining revenue? A. Allocating transaction prices to transactions performed. B. Identifying separate transactions performed in the contract. C. Revenue is recognized when the risks and rewards of ownership are transferred to the customer. D. Determining the transaction price. D. Revenue is recognized when the risks and rewards of ownership are transferred to the customer. Which of the following conditions is not required for the recognition of a liability? A. The occurrence of a current transaction. B. The ability to estimate the amount of the liability reliably. C. The occurrence of a current transaction is certain. D. The transaction has been performed. D. The transaction has been performed. Which expenses are provisioned for restructuring? A. Investment costs for new distribution systems and networks. B. Retraining costs for existing operations. C. Compensation costs for operations under contract agreements. D. Marketing costs. C. Compensation costs for operations under contract agreements. Thank you for watching our channel. See you again in the next video.